What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be installing the wireless USB adapter for CarPlay. So yeah, this is the thing that I'm going to be installing, because one thing I hate about my ev6 is because I have to hook up the CarPlay with this wire over here, which you see it's for my iPhone, and it's pretty beat up. So you know what, I'm tired of it. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna go wireless and see how it goes with my ev6 here. And besides that, I want to use my wireless charger here. Right now I have it off because I have to plug it in. I mean, what's the point of charging it while it's charging with the plugs there? So let's take a look at it. So what it comes with, let's open it up and see here. There's the box of it there, and it's fairly small. There we go. Let's remove this packet here, and that's how small it is. It's pretty small. I mean, it's fairly the size of the iWatch. It's a little bit bigger, and that's about it. Let's see what else it comes with, huh? Okay. All right, user manual. It's pretty straightforward. And I think this is the wires for them. Let's take a look. Ah, yes, it is. So let's hook it up and see how it does. Side here. So plug it in. I'm probably gonna have to hide it somehow here eventually. And there you go. And I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. There it goes. It detected the auto FD25, and that would be it. Let's see if it works automatically. All right, it seems to be working. It seems to be connected. Let's see if I switch the mode to playing it. See, I got my phone here and my YouTube. Let's see if I get any sound coming out. That's not it. All right. Oh, that's not it. Oh, here we go. This should be it. Oh yeah, it does work. It's not even hooked up to the car.
With electric all-wheel drive, you have the capability to go to the ends of the earth for the things that matter most.
All right, hang on there, big buddy.
Kia, movement that inspires.
There it is. It worked. All right, it worked. And to be able to get all these to show up, you have to do it on your phone. You have to do the Wi-Fi connection and also the Bluetooth connection to the Auto FD25. That's what it is. So got to do the same here. There you go, and then you should be able to get that. And let's see if it works. Hey Siri.
Hello, what can I do for you?
Do you know what time it is?
It's 12:13 p.m.
Here, I'll do play.
I will carry you.
Works.
Whatever we do.
There is a slight delay. There we go. Yep. There. Shows up pretty good. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.